all the children, it will be for the first time for them writing the letter to the father, because in this area, Father Days, except very few educated one that we would wish Happy Father's Day, but the rest will not know what is Father's Day. Thank you JK Paper for bringing this initiative and for choosing our school. It's in the midst of the forest, very far away from the city.
You have to write a letter to your father. So write whatever you love about your father. In your language, in English, in Hindi, whichever language you want, you can write. You can fold this like this and carry it home and give it to your father. If he is unable to read, read and explain what you have written.
I am writing this letter to tell you, my father, thank you for all your care and love for me. You have taught me to be a good girl and also to respect others. From your loving child.
Really miss you, Papa. I want to see him, even if it in the form of a shadow. I know you are looking at me from the heaven. Wherever I go, please be in my sight.
मैं अभी इंटरेक्ट कर रहा था स्टूडेंट्स फ्रॉम केजी. द इमोशंस दैट दे बॉट इन वाज वेरी प्योर, वेरी नेचुरल. कोई बोल रहा है कि ये मेरे पापा हैं, ये इतने मस्कुलर हैं. दैट गाय हैज आल्सो ड्रॉन दैट हैंड वेरी मस्कुलर एंड द फेस इज वेरी स्मॉल. Means it was like the emotions were so pure that were coming out on the paper.
Paper helped me a lot. Whenever I feel like something heavy in my heart, I used to write and scribble and all of this. So we can express our emotion through papers also. If we don't have friends also. So yeah, paper it's like our best friend.
Dear Papa, hope you are doing good. I proudly say to my classmates and friends about your Navy struggles. You served Navy for 15 years of your priceless life in Navy. Without thinking about your life, you worked for the nation and I am very proud of you.
Before being father, my emotion for the child is different. But now, being a father, I understand my father feelings for children.
With this digitalization and after usage of mobile, it's been a very good experience to them and different experience that I have seen in the children writing letters to their fathers.
If we see from outside, it's just a piece of paper with some words. But for me, it's my feeling and weighs more than a gold to me. Your presence in my life is just like a diamond. Always love.
Love you, Mr.
I wish with this letter I wrote, you will feel happy and live longer in this life and live happily and stay healthy. Happy Father's Day.
His words makes me happy and he always says me to be more concentrated, but I am not doing that. But I'll try to do that.
हमारी बेटी हुई तब भी हम तो यही समझे कि जो ईश्वर ने हमको दिया है तो उनका ही प्रसाद है, चाहे लड़की हो या लड़का, हमारे लिए दोनों बराबर हैं.
Em bọc một hôn là thịt năng kêu sạch mắt, năng đơn được cái gìเป็นmauอีไรยงอีป้านักปอดสกปรกแบบnăng kêu được sạch mắt,นักgì boleh putih mah.
Happy Father's Day.
Thank you.
Happy Father's Day, Papa.
Happy Father's Day, Daddy. अच्छा.
Happy Father's Day, Papa. Love you, love you, love you a lot.
థ్యాంక్ యూ నాన్న. నా జీవితంలో మొదటి హీరో, మొదటి గురువు, మొదటి స్మృతి మా నాన్న. నాన్న లేకుంటే ప్రపంచంలో ఏదీ లేదు. నాన్న ఉంటేనే అన్నీ. నాన్న అంటే ఒక వ్యక్తి కాదు, ఆయన కుటుంబానికి గౌరవం, సాహస, ధైర్యం.
Happy Father's Day and thank you JK Paper.
Happy Father's Day, Dad. You are a inspiration and role model for me.
Happy Father's Day, my dearest Dad and my memorable superhero. Thank you JK Paper.
Happy Father's Day and thank you JK Paper.
Happy Father's Day. Thank you JK Paper.
This is a very good initiative. We'll continue to do this process, not only Father's Day, but maybe Mother's Day and everyone, that will ensure that the children will write letter to their parents. You may be centered in the middle of the city, but your paper reach to this site. So I think this really very, very unique for all of us. So thank you so much.
Happy Father's